Sarah X Miracle, and today we will be sharing an exclusive 999-year leasehold corner terrace at 6th Avenue, right in the heart of our prime District 10. We're just off Holland Road, and on the other side is Bukit Timah, where we have the entire stretch of prestigious schools. This home has 4 rooms and 3 bathrooms with a land size of 2,874 square feet at 11.3 meters wide and 24.3 meters deep, with a built-up space of 2,500 square foot across 2 floors. This unit has been beautifully renovated just over 2 years ago and is in an excellent move-in condition. It's almost brand new. Let's show it to you. This is 532 6th Avenue. So the moment you enter this beautiful unit, you'll see that we have a really nice wide 11-meter frontage, big enough for you to park 2 cars. And besides the front porch, the entire perimeter is also untouched in that you can walk right to the back from the side. But before we show you the back of the house and the side of the house, let's go through inside the house. And you're going to see how beautiful the renovation has been done for you. Alright, so we're coming in here and you are greeted by the extremely wide living room where you can put not only one big sofa but probably another sofa here if you like. You can see that this area has already been done up for you with the TV console area. You have a nice curved cove so that it feels like you are enveloping your TV. And the TV is huge. I don't even know what the size is, but it's at least 60 inches I believe. And so this will be perfect for hosting your guests or your family. Any of you have children, they will love just hanging out here, watching their favorite cartoon show. And so after you enter this living room, you will see that it is connected straight away to the dry kitchen area right here at the back. So coming over here to the dry kitchen, you'll see that this has already been beautifully fitted for you. Over here you have this electric induction stove. So if you're not doing any heavy cooking, you just want to cook a little bit of eggs or pancakes in the morning for breakfast, this is perfect. And behind me there is a full oven as well and a microwave on the other side. And of course you have an area to wash if you have dishes or cups that you want to leave behind for your guests. So this makes it a really nice area for you to serve your guests directly to the dining room, which is just on the other side from this dry kitchen. This is the dining area that has been designed especially for you. We can fit about 8 people in this area, but if you wanted to convert this into a granny's room, you could actually extend the part in front where the living room is and move the dining area there, and this can be converted into a really nice bedroom as well, where you could have the windows on this side facing outwards of the house. Now over on the other side here, apart from this dining area, we have a really nice study-sized room, which is currently a playroom for our owner's current child. And if you have young children, this is so perfect because I can play make-believe in this area. I can do whatever I want without messing up the rest of the house. Yes, as a mom, one of my pet peeves is that when you start to have kids, you have the toys everywhere in the house. But here you can actually contain all the playthings and all the toys, so it doesn't really encroach into the living room, but your kids have somewhere where they can just play and do whatever they like to their imagination. Now let's go to the back where there is a wet kitchen as well. But before that, there is a really beautifully done common toilet here. So this will be your powder room for your guests. You can see that have been marble tiles done up. Beautiful fixtures over here, Hans Grohe in gold. And this particular one has a skylight as well, so you get a bit of natural light coming in for this common toilet. Let's go and see the wet kitchen right now. Alright, you can see the wet kitchen here is really sizable. Lots of space for food prep, so if you love cooking and baking, this is really nice, ample space. Already there is a hob installed with 3 burners for you, as well as a hood and a double sink over here, and a very nice layout where you have the washer dryer put right next to you, so you can keep your eye on your laundry while you're cooking as well. And at the back behind, there's actually a helper's room as well as a storeroom. So don't worry, if you have a helper, there is enough space for that as well at the back. Now let's go upstairs and look at the bedrooms. So as you come up onto the second level, you're greeted by this very nice landing area, which is big enough for you to create an entertainment or lounge space for your kids, or your family. I can imagine putting a television over here so that if your kids wanted to, they could just kind of have a nice watch. There could be like nice kids furniture over here for them to play around. Or even if you wanted, you could convert this into a study area where you could have a study table and a nice shelf for your books and all your study things. Let's also go and check out the kids' room over here on this side. So this is a very nice kids' room. They've already decorated it with a wardrobe on one side. You can see that the rest of the area is open for you to redo the layout as you need. This is big enough for you to put 2 single beds side by side if you want, or you could put a bunk bed and then have more space for playing. I really like this layout, I like this decoration, and because it's brand new, you can see that the floors are so beautifully varnished. The parquet floors in this entire house on level 2. It gives a very nice warm feeling. I always like the feeling of wood on my feet. Now let's go check out the second room. So standing here in the second room, you can see that it is large enough for you to put a single bed on this side as well as another study table. So this home is really beautiful and perfect. If you have 2 kids, they each need their own rooms, and there's still a common area in the middle of the second floor for you to have it as a shared entertainment or a study space. There is also a common toilet on this floor so that your kids can share, and it's really nicely fitted out already with a nice black sink over here, marble tiles over there, and there's even a rain shower on the top. So I think this is beautifully renovated. Let's go check out the master bedroom right now. So the moment you enter this space, you are greeted by a really nice walk-in wardrobe area, and there's also a display cabinet as well for your nice bags. You can have that over there. And there is also another panel of wardrobe on this side. So altogether, there's about 7 doors worth of wardrobe space for you to put your clothes. It's definitely more than ample space for you, your spouse, and if you want, you have to store your winter clothes and all that. It's obviously enough. Now this bed area is huge. You can see that this is a king-size bed already, and there's still a really nice dresser space. So this is for the missus who deserves that pampering moment as well. I like this dresser space. I think it's perfect when you want to wind down, when you want to take off your makeup. So there's also a nice ensuite bathroom with this master bed. Let's go and check it out. Welcome to our master bedroom toilet. This has a double vanity which has this beautiful marble top. I think this is really nice. Me and my husband don't have to share our sink. He can slowly shave his face and I can slowly put on my face cream at the same time, and we can have a conversation going on. There is of course a WC and a nice shower area with a gold hands grow her rain shower on top. Oh my gosh! So this renovation has been really nicely done. I think that the owners have put a lot of thought into the detail, into the finishes, into the fixtures. And so if you're thinking about making this your forever home, this is a really great landed property right in the heart of 6th Avenue. If there's any other place that you wanted to choose to stay for your family, 6th Avenue would be my ideal choice. So in terms of connectivity, there are bus stops right outside this unit, which means that you're only a short ride away from 6th Avenue and Holland Village MRT stations, which brings you to 2 different MRT lines. You can also fulfill your day-to-day grocery needs at a big variety of supermarkets at Jalita, Guthrie House, Holland Road Shopping Centre, and also Raffles V at Holland. But being here right in the middle of the Holland estate means that you're also very close to a myriad of cafes, restaurants, bars and other gourmet offerings at Dempsey Hill as well as Holland Village, such as PS Cafe, Conchita, Jumbo Seafood, Open Farm Community and more. Of course, being in this prime area of District 10 means you're also just a short drive away from indulging in retail therapy at the Orchard Road shopping belt. For families with children like myself, this beautiful home is also 1 kilometre to Henry Park Primary School, and it is in close proximity to Methodist Girls' School, Raffles Girls Primary School, Nanyang Girls High, Hwa Chong Institution and National Junior College. On to our price analysis. Now, everyone knows in Singapore that District 10 is one of the prime neighbourhoods for livability, for greenery, and also its proximity to really good schools. With a positive trending growth of an average of 2,256 per square foot since 2021 and growing, you can see there is a really good long-term benefit of owning a property here because your asset will continue to appreciate in value. Currently, this unit is going for a modest 2,087 per square foot, which makes it very affordable compared to its neighbours and a very good entry price for landed property in District 10. In terms of future potential and development, there is a URA master plan that details the new developments at Holland Village, with One Holland Village coming up, which is going to be a really nice big integrated development, mixed development with both residential, offices and retail. And not to mention generous park spaces and greenery areas, which will be added on for new residents to enjoy, full of retail and lifestyle amenities while preserving the charm of this iconic 6th Avenue estate. This unit also compares very favourably with other neighbouring units that have recently sold in the enclaves of Queen Astrid Park and Mintic Park, which were going for 2,006 to 2,007 per square foot. So you can see that this unit is much more affordable compared to those units that have already been sold. Thank you so much for watching our home tour of this exclusive corner terrace in the heart of 6th Avenue. I'm Sarah X Miracle, and if you would like to see this place, I would love to show you the place. Give me a call at 8949 7079. Once again, this is Sarah X Miracle signing off.